Who does not want to be tall? Exercise alone does not play major role in increasing height. There are more things play an important role in getting taller. Number 1 is hormonal balance. Number 2 is healthy bones. Number 3 is proper diet. Today we will discuss which fruit are important for getting taller. Watch the video at the end because we will say at the end of the video some important things that are hindering your height increasing, and you should take all this issue seriously. Without wasting time, let's start. Number 1 on the food list is oats. Oatmeal is the best fruit to grow taller. It contains all the ingredients and minerals needed to grow taller. Oatmeal for breakfast will provide all the ingredients in your body as well as give you a lot of energy. These include potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, iodine, zinc, iron, vitamin B, A, E and K. All of this will form your bones and muscle tissue. Number 2 on the food list is banana. Banana is rich in vitamin B6. Banana are important food for height. Essential vitamin and minerals have made banana an ideal fruit. Another important feature of banana is that they are easily digested. As a result, its benefits are effective in your body very quickly. Banana are good source of potassium, so banana is a great combination with oats in the morning. Milk is number 3 on the food list. If you do not have a special physical problem, you can drink milk twice a day. Milk plays a very effective role in increasing height. It contains a lot of calcium, vitamin A and protein. Milk, banana, oats for breakfast together will serve as a powerful recipe for height increase, which will help increase your growth hormone. Honey is number 4 on the food list. Honey contains very simple sugar which your body can absorb very easily. Honey will help increase the growth hormone in your body. Also, your insulin level will not be affected. It will deliver minerals to your body, which is very important in height increase. Honey contains magnesium and calcium. You can use honey in everything instead of sugar. Walnut is number 5 on the food list. A recent study found that any nut, especially walnut, has some ingredients that help build bones tissue. Its vitamin E, phosphorus, calcium and magnesium affect your height. You can eat nuts, use salad or breakfast. Number 6 is marine fish. Any marine fish is important for height increase. It contains a lot of energy and vitamins such as vitamin B12. Marine fish is a good source of high levels of protein. It is better to keep marine fish for dinner because it will help increasing your hormone during sleep. Now I will talk about why many people do not increase their height even after following all the rules. There are some fruit that will prevent you from increasing your height. These include alcohol and smoking. Alcohol and smoking are the biggest barrier to height increase. This damage the calcium in your bones. Then there is sugar. You should avoid fruit that contain high levels of sugar. Fast food and chips damage your hormonal system. Then there are the cold drinks. It causes a variety of problems throughout your body. In the meanwhile, it becomes an obstacle in the case of height increase. Lastly, proper nutrition, adequate sleep, regular exercise and lifestyle change all the directly related to height. That's all for today. If you like the video, be sure to share it with your friends. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to the channel. So for today, stay well, stay healthy. Thanks for watching.